Question 2 of the examcraft 2018 mock was to do with complex numbers. Complex numbers, again, are definitely going to be on your exam, so make sure you know how to answer them. So for this question, they have a point plotted and they ask you to work out its coordinates. So its coordinates, you drop down and you read the value. That is your real value. So you're getting 3, and you go across and you're getting a 4. So it's 3 plus 4i. So z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Then it asks you to plot iz on the orthogonal diagram. Right? That means you want to multiply your z, the value you've just found, by I. So you're having I multiplied by 3 plus 4i. So your I times 3 gave you 3i. Your I times 4i gave you plus 4i squared. I squared is equal to minus 1. It tells you in the question. So you're substituting this in. So you're getting 3i minus your 4. Okay. And then you want to plot it. So we go out to minus 4, up to 3i and do a dot. Okay, then part 3, it says, by joining both your z and your iz to the origin, describe the transformation, your translation, your rotation, your symmetry, or whatever way you want to describe it, that occurs when your complex number is multiplied by I. So, if you look at our picture, our original was 3 plus 4i, and it became minus 4 plus 3i. So what happened was that by multiplying by I, you got a 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. This is the right angle. You get a 90 degree rotation anti-clockwise. So please, please, please say 90 degree. And you go anti-clockwise. Okay. It's not a direct across an axis symmetry. Okay. It's actually a 90 degree rotation. The final part of that question was division. Right, so they have told you that you've got minus 2 plus 5i, and you're dividing it by 2 plus I. So in terms of complex numbers and division, you get the conjugate of the bottom. So if we had a 2 plus I at the bottom, the conjugate is 2 minus I. And you're going to multiply top and bottom by the 2 minus I. In terms of multiplying, write everything out in brackets so you remember to multiply all the different parts, and then split the brackets. So we have our minus 2 times the bracket, our plus 5i, times the bracket, our 2 times the bracket, our plus I times the bracket, and write it out and then multiply it out so you don't forget any part. So when you're multiplying it out, you get minus 4 plus 2i plus 10i minus 5i squared over 4 minus 2i plus 2i minus I squared. So what you should notice on the bottom, your i's cancel each other, right? So you should, when you sub in whatever it is for your I squared, you should have no I values on the denominator, so you have no I values on the bottom. So when you tidy it up, making sure you're watching your sign, so we get a plus 2i and a 10i gives you a plus 12i. Alright, underneath you have a plus 4 and you had a minus I squared, so you're getting a plus 4 plus 1, which gave you a 5. So you're getting a 1 plus 12i over 5. They ask you to write it in the form a plus bi, so split it, so you're having 1 over 5 plus 12 over 5i. Okay, and that was question 2.